I started doing triathlons about 3 or 4 years ago. I liked the idea of the variety, the different events. What I didn't realize is there's a fourth part, and that's just the mental part of not getting to stop. You just have to keep going. Triathlons are like handling a case in that there's different parts. And just like in a triathlon, all of those parts are important, but ultimately the pieces don't mean anything if you can't finish. So you want to get to the finish line. And that's our goal in your bankruptcy case. And what we don't realize is lots of people are going through bad financial situations. And so I just let people know that they're not alone, that this is what I do all day, every day. When my clients come to me, a lot of times they've waited longer than they should have, and a lot of times they think there's just not any good options for them. And that's one of the things that I do is reassure them that most of the time there is a way out. There's a way we can work through it.
I first started seeing that I was having some troubles with my finances when I was injured. I ended up being out of work for about 6 months. During that 6 months, was going and borrowing money from different little small loan places. I was afraid that I was going to end up losing my house or something big, and I knew that I had to do something at that point. From the time that I met with Melissa and was able to figure out what option fit best for me, it was a big relief. I think my favorite thing about the firm was being able to sit down with her one-on-one so much. It was very relieving. I really felt like Melissa really genuinely cared. Even till the end and after it was already closed, she still did.
With the company I was with at the time, I had expected to work another 10 years. The economy burst in 2008, so they sent me home. It was quite difficult because I had not prepared properly for my retirement. We were in dire financial straits. Melissa's office came to our attention, so we called, made the appointment, and it was such a great relief. I felt that personally they cared.
Melissa was very thorough with us about what we needed to give her, what she was able to do with us. She put our minds completely at ease. In this situation, there's definitely a light at the end of the tunnel.
They have lowered my stress level, which is important.
For me, especially.
I believe there's absolutely a brighter future for folks who have gotten into financial trouble. Going back to the endurance mindset, the first step to finishing the race is starting it. I'm there for them at the beginning, and I'm there for them at the very end.